Alright, if you're watching this, the chances are you know the world feels a little bit off. Headlines are chaos, markets are unstable, there's layoffs, there's elections, there's war, inflation, immigration, AI, right? And with 2025 almost over, here's the truth. Most people are reacting to the noise right now, but there's a very small group of people that are learning how to profit from it. So that's what this is about. My name's Jason Graystone. I'm a professional trader and co-founder at Tier 1 Trading. And I want to invite you to our final workshop of the year. It's called Market Mastery, the year-end reset. Trade your way into 2026. This is a 3-day online workshop for just $7. And you're getting over 9 hours of the best trading education we've ever shared in one place over those 3 days. No fluff, no hype, just real professional level skills that most traders never get taught online. So if you're tired of going in circles on YouTube, falling for get-rich-quick strategies, or just feeling like you should be trading but don't know where to start, then this is your reset. Because let's be honest, if you don't make a change now, what's really going to be different in 2026? Another year watching others build wealth while you're stuck. Another year of fear, frustration, and wasted time. And you know you deserve more than that, right? So over the 3 days, you'll learn how pro traders think and what amateurs get wrong, how to read price action, structure, and market moves, how to build a strategy that actually works and how to test it, and then how to protect your capital and manage risk like a hedge fund, and then how to trade in any market, even chaotic ones. You'll walk away with confidence, clarity, and the tools to start taking control immediately. So you might be thinking, but I've tried before, or what if this is just another course? Well, listen to me. This isn't a course. This is a 3-day hands-on transformation. You don't need experience. You don't need to risk anything. You just need to show up. And for $7, what's the risk? So if you're serious about trading and you want to enter 2026 with momentum instead of regret, well, this is your moment. So click the button, join the workshop, take the $7 leap and walk away with a skill that can literally change your life. I'll see you at the workshop.